refrain. Each drop a blessing, a gentle caress, a whisper, a secret the skies confess. Our hearts alive, our smile aglow. Through the wet glass, our feelings flow. The storm outside can't match the fire. Our souls in tune, our hearts are quiet. Close the window, lets the rain fall. Each drop a kiss, she feels it all. On her cheeks, on her lips, a tender bliss. Each raindrop of love, a heavenly kiss. God's sweet whispers and His embrace. In every droplet, she finds her place. Through the rain, her joy takes flight. Love and blessings in the pale moonlight. The scent of rain sounds so pure. Her love's a storm she can't ignore. And His name on her every breath. A love so deep it defies death. The rhythm of rain, a sacred beat, dancing in puddles with bare feet. Each drop a promise, a vow, a dream, carried on the flow of the gentle stream. So opens the window, lets the rain fall. Each drop a kiss, she feels it all. On her cheeks, on her lips, a tender bliss. Each raindrop of love, a heavenly kiss. God's sweet whispers and His embrace. In every droplet, she finds her place. Through the rain, her joy takes flight. Love and blessings in the pale moonlight. The rain is a hymn, the wind a prayer. Susana's love fills the midnight air. Every thunder, a beating heart. Every lightning, a love-lit spark. Susana and Andy, the rain's their song.